Assalamu alaikum students. Today the topic is Euler identity and the beautiful equation which is e power pi iota. How it is equal to that e power pi iota is equal to 1. So we are aware of the original equation e power iota theta is equal to cos of theta plus iota sine of theta. If we have to prove this equation, then we can write it e power pi iota is equal to -1, e power pi iota is equal to cos pi plus iota sine pi. So cos pi equal to -1 and sine pi equal to 0. So 0 into iota is equal to 0. So e power pi iota is equal to -1. But here we can prove it in another method. So we know that integral of 1 over 1 plus x square dx with respect to x is tan inverse of x. But if I change this function or split this 1 over 1 plus x square with the help of partial fraction into two fraction and then take its integral, then it can lead it to e power pi iota equal to -1. So 1 divided by 1 plus x square is equal to 1 divided by, I can write it is equal to x square plus 1, which is equal to 1 divided by x square minus into -1, which is equal to 1 divided by x square minus iota square, because -1 is equal to iota square. So it is x square minus iota square, which is equal to 1 divided by x plus iota into x minus iota. So if I split this fraction with the help of partial fraction, then 1 divided by x square plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by x plus iota into x minus iota, which is equal to a divided by x plus iota plus b divided by x minus iota. So multiply on both side x plus iota into x minus iota on both side of this equation, it will be equal to 1 is equal to a into x minus iota plus b into x plus iota. Now put x is equal to iota. If I put x is equal to iota, then it will be in this portion, this term will be 0, and I will find the value of b. So 1 x a into 0 plus b into 2 iota, which is b is equal to 1 over 2 iota. Now put x is equal to minus iota in this equation. So it will be equal to 1 a into minus 2 iota plus 0, which is equal to a minus 1 over 2 iota. Now we know that 1 over iota is equal to minus iota, because 1 over iota multiplied and divided by iota, so it is equal to iota divided by iota square, which is iota divided by -1, which is minus iota. So 1 over iota is equal to minus iota. So in the place of 1 over iota, I can write b is equal to 1 over iota is equal to minus iota. So minus iota divided by 2, and in the place of this 1 over iota, I can write it is minus iota. So minus iota with minus, it is plus iota. So iota divided by 2. So substitute the value of b, the values of b and a here in the place of a and b. So it is equal to a divided by x plus iota, which is equal to iota divided by 2 into x plus iota, minus iota divided by 2 minus iota divided by 2 into x minus iota, which is equal to iota divided by 2, which is equal to 1 over x plus iota minus 1 over x minus iota. This is equal to 1 over x square plus 1. So if I take integral from 0 to 1 on both sides, it will be equal to integral from 0 to 1 with respect to x. So integral from 0 to 1, 1 over 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse of x, which is equal to tan inverse of x from 0 to 1, and iota by 2 will be stay in its place, and 1 over x plus iota is equal to log of x plus iota from 0 to 1 minus log of x minus iota from 0 to 1. Now I will proceed the above equation. So tan inverse of x 1 and with upper and lower limit. So apply the upper and lower limit, so it will be equal to tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0, and iota by 2 here in its place, and it will be equal to log of 1 plus iota, log of 1 plus iota minus log of iota, put 0 in the place of x, minus log of 1 minus iota, and minus with another minus, it will be plus log of with log of minus iota. This is the proof. So tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0 is equal to 5 by 4 and iota by 2 in its place, and apply the logarithmic rule on these terms, it will be equal to log of 1 plus iota into minus iota divided by iota into 1 minus iota. So iota cancel out with this iota, pi by 4 in its place, and it is equal to iota by 2, 1 plus iota divided by 1 minus iota with minus. So pi divided by 4, a pi rationalize this fraction, it will be equal to 1 plus iota divided by 1 minus iota. So multiply and divide it 1 minus iota or 1 plus iota, multiply and divided 1 plus iota. So the above term will be equal to 1 plus iota whole square divided by 1 square minus iota square, which is equal to pi by 4 iota by 2 minus 1 plus iota whole square divided by 1 square iota square equal to minus 1. So minus with this minus plus, which is 2. So 4 multiply 4 on both sides of this equation, 4 cancel out, 4 will be cancelled with this 4, it is left with pi, and 2 2s are 4, it is 2 iota with minus, and open it, because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 square plus iota square plus 2 iota divided by 2, which is equal to pi 2 iota minus 1 square cancel out with this iota square, because my iota square equal to minus 1. So minus 1 cancel with plus 1, it is left with 2 iota divided by 2. So 2 cancel out with this 2, pi is equal to 2 iota minus iota. So if I shift this iota to this